today we're going to do a basic stage makeup for the Harlequin Theatre. Parents often ask, why do we need the children to wear makeup and how much do they need to wear? Well, they need a makeup because the lights of the theatre, the very heavy stage lights, will wash out all their lovely features, and so the makeup will accentuate all the areas, the eyes and the lips, and their lovely smiles will shine through. The amount of makeup depends on the theatre itself. The Harlequin isn't that big, so we've done a basic stage makeup that should suffice for today. The older girls will do a lot more. You can tone it down if you really feel you have to. And again, the price of the makeup, please do not go and spend lots of money on expensive makeup. Use your own, or just some alternative cheaper products will be absolutely fine. So today we're going to have a little basic makeup. Martha already has a foundation all over her face and slightly down into her neck. You can have any, these are Martha's own foundations, but there are plenty on the market, and usually you should just probably use the one you've got at home. Any price, it's only for the show really. A pressed powder just on the face, or just take if you press the little pad and you press the powder onto the face to stop the foundation from sweating, or you can even use or a little bit of natural bronzer, so you can just take a little bit of brush and just do a little bit of bronze over there. Might have a little shimmer to it, but it's just to give her a little bit more colour. Alright, so we have a little bit of foundation and a little bit of powder, a little bit of bronzer. Then we move on to her eyes. Martha has her own browns, and we use browns at RSB to keep everybody neutral, the same. We take her brush, and she's got brown. Martha's going to close her eyes for me. Any brown will do, and we're just going to apply this onto her lids there. So, shouldn't take long. There we are, we'll do it quite quick today. You can take all the time you need at home. Let me dry. Oops. Blend it in. I'm not very good at doing other people's makeup, but there we go. That's it, that'll do for now. Then we want a little highlighter above the brow. Again, you can have powdered creams. I like creams, but it really doesn't matter. Just put a little dab there, a little dab there. There we are. Then we're going to apply an eyeliner. Martha has her own eyeliner. These come in pencils, but liquid eyeliner is the easiest because you can sort of draw a smooth line. This is the bit that I'm not very good at. Children's eyes sometimes water. Martha, close your eyes for me. Look up a little. I'm just going to draw a little line across the top of her eye there. Open your eye for me, Martha. I'll just come a little bit underneath as well. There we are. I'm going to do that a little bit more darker, just because I can. And I'm going to flick it out a little. Now, when we do our eyeliner, when you're on a really, really big stage, you can really accept that you'll find that the dancers accentuate the eyeliner. They will have quite a big flick, and they actually sometimes put eyeliner underneath the eye. We are only at the Harlequin, so that will be absolutely fine for the Harlequin. Little kick to bring the eye there. If your child has a very fair eyebrow, you don't want to lose the top of the eye, so we just use a little bit of an eyebrow pencil. So this is just a little eyebrow pencil, just slightly darken her natural shape of her eyebrow. This has got a little sponge on, which will just even that out a little. Not too dark. I actually think it's enough. blusher. Again, any blusher, cream, powder. Suck your lips in like this. There we are. Just a little bit on the cheeks there. In the, let's see, like this. That's enough. There we are. So we have, that's it, lovely. You can just do a little bit more blending when you've got time. Blend, 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 blend. Going back to Martha's eye, close your eye for me, Martha. You can do a lot more intricate eye shadow. The senior girls will highlight even more, put darker in here and extend it on. But as I said, this is only a very basic makeup just to get all the girls, you know, looking sort of even across the board. And then we move on to the eye, onto her lips. The red is very bright, but you know, pale pinks and bronzes don't work on the stage because the lights just mar them again into their face. So just that's it. Open your mouth a little bit. I'm just going to do the lower. Follow the line of the lips there. Do a bit more on the bottom lip. I suggest as well, go like that bit, that's enough. I suggest, I'm not very good at doing it, believe it or not, I'm much better on myself, but you know, you can experiment with your child. I suggest you leave the red lipstick to the last minute, as it does often bleed. You can use a lip liner if you want, depending how far you know you want to go on that. There we are. It can be a little bit bleeding at the lips. And the last one, I'm not going to insist on the mascara, but mascara is an essential part to open up the eyes. A little bit would help. So look down a little bit for me, and then we're just going to brush up, obviously, and pop the mascara on. Just lifts up those eyelashes. And look down, and then look down for me. Oh, sorry. That's it. That's the one. Look up. Open your eye. Oh, that's it. I'm not going to go mad there on Martha. I don't want to, you know, do too much today, but you can work on that yourselves so that you've got even lashes. I know some of the girls will curl their lashes with an eyelash tongue, a little machine that you curl the top lip, and they may even wear false eyelashes, but for the majority of the children we don't need to. So as you can see, I've only really done one half of Martha's face, sort of there, but you can see this is enough colour to frame her face. You can go a little heavier on the eyes if you wish, a little blusher for the highlights and her lipstick. And that's fine for the Harlequin Theatre. So you got one eye done.